Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. And we're back with day 16 of the Uniquely Creative Advent Box. Okay, it's kind of circular, it's reasonably pudgy, firm. I think it could be ribbon. Let's see. Oh, close. So close. I don't know, guys. Will you give me that? It's twine. Nice natural colour twine. Goes beautiful on with tags. You can make it into bows and put it behind your ephemera for cards and scrapbook pages. What else can we do with it? We can use it to be a closure on albums and cards and things like that. You can use it as bookmark tassels. It goes on and on. I mean, you know, how long is a piece of string? How long is a piece of string? You know, like, how many uses can you get out of a piece of string? Many. So that's fabulous. So that was day 16. Let's see what day 17 entails for us. And I just heard the cats piff something off the kitchen bench, so I better go. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.